Hello, today you will be doing another RBG paragraph. This one is called RBG 102618. It is in your classroom. Remember, go to classwork, skin I'm in, and find this document. This assignment will be due at the end of the hour. Everyone must have it due at the end of the hour. I will grade what you worked on in class. So this is just like the one we did last time, where you are given these different journal entries to look at. You may also go back in your journal and use something that's not on this list if you did not use it in the last paragraph. Here are your instructions. Remember, this is 11 sentences long. You need a topic sentence. I've given you an example of a topic sentence right here. You're not going to write common theme. You're going to write your actual theme you're going to use. If you used bravery last time, you should not use bravery this time. So you can change sentences to fit. You're going to go to the common themes. You're going to choose a common theme that you want to use. So you can choose one of these common themes, and then that's what the entire paragraph is going to be about. So you need to choose 3 journal entries. This is going to be your red, your blue, your green. The main support, the first red, first blue, first green sentence has to be underlined. You can just change this around to get your conclusion statement. Make sure you have 3 red, 3 blue, 3 green. Paragraph must be color-coded. These are the transition words I want you to use this time. Last time you used first, next, finally. This time you use primarily, in, finally. You can use next for this one. If you don't understand the in, we'll talk about that later. So you are working on this all hour. If you get done early, go back and check your signpost. Otherwise, I will grade what is done at the end of the hour. Please work quietly and get this finished. Thank you.